Hi, I'm Jordan, and I am a student on the ODTS, and we spent the last 2 months in Albania. During outreach, we had a lot of fun. We did a lot of activities with the youth group in the local church in Fushë-Krujë. We did a lot of activities outside, like climbing and hiking and camping a few times. And we explored some canyons in the area. Some of my favorite memories were nights that we went out for evangelism and praying for people in the streets. We had worship nights a few times a week. And one of my favorite memories is when we had a team from Norway visit us and we did evangelism and we explored Albania together. Over our outreach, we experienced many miracles, such as healings or deliverances, and it was a great way for me to experience what we were learning about in lectures. Overall, I learned so much, and it was a really, really great time.